Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a new locomotive has arrived. Now this came via FedEx, and it's a 595. Got this for $7.50. It says it does not run. So it appeared to be in fairly decent condition in the photos. But like I said, buying from eBay, you never know what you're going to get until you actually open the box. And this is full of styrofoam peanuts. I hate styrofoam peanuts. But let's see if we can get this out of here without making a mess. There we go. Alright, that's not too bad. Except for all the styrofoam stuff into the motor. Okay, double reduction motor. It's not frozen. So, get this box out of the way. Get this unpacked. No idea what that is for. Alright, let me grab the camera off the tripod. Let's take a look at this and see how it looks. Well, it's in really decent condition. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but physically it's in very good condition, in fact. Very, very good condition. It looks almost new. A couple little spots on it, and that is it. No damage of any kind. The motor has been lubricated, it looks like. I can see fresh oil. So what I'm going to do, of course, is put a couple of drops of oil on this. Now it says it buzzes, but it does not run. So that could be all kinds of things. But I'm betting it's a dirty armature more than anything else. Let me grab some oil. All right, very first thing we're going to do is put a drop of oil on the bearing for the armature. Just put one drop there, let it soak in. And we'll put one big drop on the output shaft of the main gearing. All right, good enough. Let's see, let me look for an empty rail here. Rail number 1 is empty. So put this on the rail, turn on the power. Now it's missing the headlight, I saw that. All right, let's see what happens. And it's buzzing. Indeed it is, and that's all it's doing. And it's still buzzing. Just buzzing. So let's try something real quick here and see. Now that armature looks really, really dirty to me. So we'll take, I've got a spray bottle of pure alcohol, well, 91% anyway. We'll give a couple of shots of alcohol directly on to that armature and then turn the wheels. That gets a lot of the oxide off of the armature itself. And it still just buzzes. Nothing at all. All right. Let's check our brushes. Bottom brush is okay. I'm going to have to pull the motor out to check the top one. Excuse me. One thing we can try is tightening this bottom screw. All right. Let's try it now. And you see? Look at that. So this thing has not been run in a long time. So it really needs to be cleaned. But it is running. That is the important part. Wow. So I don't know if it'll pull a consist yet or not, but we can try. Let's take it over and move the tripod out of the way. Always fun to bring one of these things back to life. All right, let's see what happens here. It's on the rail. Let's give it some power. If I can get this thing to run, it'll usually take off. Let me get some of this stuff out of the way. All right. Here we go. Let's see what happens. So it's running, no doubt. Not very well, but it's running. Like I said, a lot of times these things will just, they'll get the oxide off the brushes and these things will just take off. But it's pulling consist. So obviously it's going to run. It's just a matter now of getting it cleaned up. This thing's been sitting for a very, very long time. So let it go around one more time. I got to pull that motor out, replace the headlight. But I'm betting the brushes and the brush springs, all the connections are probably filthy. So, always interesting to get a new locomotive. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of the unboxing. So $5.95 eBay, $7.50, already running. So I'll pull the motor out of this, replace the light bulb, pull the brushes, clean the armature, lube it, and tune it. The thing's been sitting for years. There's no doubt about that. Years and years and years since this thing's been on a rail. So we'll see what's up with the motor. I'm sure it's basic adjustments, lubrication, and cleaning. But anyway, I just want to do an unboxing video. Marx 595. $7.50, and it's already running. So, hard to beat that. I would imagine in the next 20 minutes it should be running quite well. We shall see. So I just want to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.